This is the park inside of Encino Estates. It's right in the neighborhood. That street back there, right over there, is the main entry street. It's not that far. Anyway. Here's a playground. Place for you to grill out. And then there's walking trails all the way back there. So there's a bench you can eat your lunch and have a picnic. There's another seat here. You're just looking down in nature. Very nice. So this is the park at Encino Estates. And that's where the kids' playground was that I was just over there a minute ago. You could see through there a little bit. There's more walking trails over that way. And this is just the playground. I figured I'd get up close. But these walking trails, they go way back there. There's even a bench over there. So, anyway, it's really big. It's nice. This is the park at Encino Estates.